Guangdong GOSUNM Intelligent Industry Company Limited is located in Dongguan, the most economically dynamic international manufacturing city in South China. It was established in 2012 with a registered capital of 10 million. It has a modern factory building of 15,000 square meters and 133 core employees. GOSUNM's main products include disposable flat mask machine, KN95 mask machine, KF94 mask machine, and mask product inspection, labeling, packaging equipment. With years of accumulation and hard work, GOSUNM has grown into a national high-tech enterprise, a synergistic multiplication enterprise in Dongguan, and has more than 30 patents by the end of 2019 years. GOSUNM people will do their best to provide effective technical solutions for global epidemic prevention and create maximum value for customers. Our company has a perfect after-sales service system with 10 offline after-sales engineers and 20 online engineers to serve you 24 hours a day. Establish a graduate training practice base with Shantou University, Huazhong University of Science and Technology University Student Research and Practice Base, Production University Research Cooperation Base of South China University of Technology, and jointly undertake the research and development plan in key areas of Guangdong Province, Guangdong Baiyun College Off-Campus Innovation and Entrepreneurship Education Practice Base, Industry University Research Cooperation Base of South China Normal University, Guangdong University of Finance Intelligent Logistics System Teaching and Research Practice Base.